Think math.
Here's the data. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Ask for the mode and no single answer comes back. 2 appears twice and 3 appears twice. The mean always gave one answer, and so did the median. Why is the mode different? Is the rule simply unfinished? Read the definition exactly as it stands. The mode is the value with the greatest frequency. It is not built by a calculation. It is selected by a condition. Put numbers into a formula and one answer comes out, but selecting whatever meets a condition can turn up several answers or none. That difference is the whole story. Take the case of several. If 2 and 3 both appear twice, both of them satisfy the condition of having the greatest frequency. There is no reason to prefer one. So we say the modes are 2 and 3, both of them. Forcing a single choice would be inventing something the data never said. Now the case of none. What about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where every value occurs exactly once? Try to pick the greatest frequency and all 5 are equal, so there is nothing you could call especially common. In that case, we say there is no mode. Calling all 5 modes would be saying nothing at all. This is not a flaw. It is honesty. What a mode points at is the peak of the data, and some data has 2 peaks while some is flat and has none. An average that manufactured a single peak for such data would be lying to you. Saying there are 2 or saying there is none is itself information about the data. So the mode is selected rather than calculated, which is why it can come in 2s or not at all. And that is an honest answer, carried straight over from the shape of the data. That closes out organizing data. We began by standing scattered numbers up as stems and leaves, and we have arrived at one number standing for them all. See you in the next one. A sip of math every day, here at Think Math.